Hello candidates, MAT application process for the year 2023 is underway. In this video, we will share the process of MAT registration and form filling. To apply for MAT, you need to open the IMA MAT website, which is mat.ima.in. Then fill the registration form displayed on the home page. Once you've registered, an email will be sent to you for confirmation. Go to the email to log into the dashboard. In the student dashboard, click on Apply Now to start the form filling process. In the first page, select Test Mode, Test Date and Test City Preferences and update your PWD status. Then, click on Next. On the next page, fill personal details and upload your passport size photo and scan signature as per the given instructions. Then, click on Next option to go to the next page. In the next page, select 5 MBA colleges of your choice for admission and move to the next page, which is for fee payment. On the fee payment page, enter the relevant details and click on Make Fee Payment option to pay ₹1900. Choose your payment option and fill the details to complete the online transaction. In the next page, you have to enter your personal details. Here, fill your educational details of school, board, college and work experience. And in the last page of the MAT form, fill additional details such as other entrance exams taken and submit the form to complete the process. If you wish to upgrade college or fee, you can log into the dashboard and do so at any point of the time before the registration deadline ends. All the best!